Greetings, magical souls. Welcome back to I Am Money, the place where we explore the mystical and invite prosperity into our lives. Today, I have a challenge for you. I dare you to say a magic money chant that could potentially unlock the doors to abundance. Stay tuned and let's dive into the mystical realm of financial blessings. But first, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Also, click the link on this channel bio if you would love to explore more about the law of attraction. Before we begin, make sure you're in a quiet and comfortable space. Take a deep breath and clear your mind. Now, repeat after me. Feel free to say this chant out loud or in your mind, but say it with intention and belief. Here it is. Prospera fortuna abundantia divina. Fortune smiles, riches align. Wealth flows like the grand river Rhine. Manifesting money, a spell so fine. Abundance now, forever be mine. This magical chant combines ancient words and positive affirmations to open the channels of abundance in your life. Prospera fortuna invokes the energy of prosperity, while abundantia divina calls upon the divine abundance. Speaking these words with conviction can create a powerful intention for wealth manifestation. Now, some of you might be skeptical, and that's okay. But imagine if this simple chant could bring positive changes to your financial outlook. Many have reported a shift in their mindset and a surprising increase in opportunities after incorporating such practices. However, remember that magic is a personal belief and results may vary. I've taken the dare and now I challenge you. Say this magic money chant every day for the next 7 days. Track any changes in your financial situation and share your experiences in the comments below. Who knows, you might just unlock the magic of abundance. Are you up for the challenge? That's a wrap for today's mystical journey. If you enjoyed this enchanting experience, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more magical content.